In this section, we'll talk about the approximation method of Euler. Euler's method is a procedure for constructing approximate solutions to an initial value problem for a first-order initial value problem of the form dy dx equals f of xy and y at x naught equals y naught. So what we see here, this right here is our initial condition. Or IC, and it's the point x naught comma y naught. Now here's the basic idea of Euler's method. At that initial point x naught, y naught, the slope of the tangent line to the solution is the derivative dy dx, and in this case that's our function at x naught, y naught. Now let's call this m naught for now. This represents the slope of the solution. Now this allows us to find the equation of the tangent line. And the tangent line, we know from calculus, is y equals m naught, the derivative, times x minus x naught plus y naught. And we will use this line to find an approximation for the solution from x naught to x1, where x1 is a value close to x naught. So this tangent line will give us a line from x naught, y naught to x1, y1, and we can calculate the slope of the tangent line to the solution passing through x1, y1, and that slope is dy dx equals f of x1 comma y1, right? And let's call this m1. Now, then again, we can find the equation of the tangent line, which we'll use as an approximation for the solution from x1 to x2, right? And the slope, or the equation of that tangent line, would be y equals m1 times x minus x1 plus y1. And now we can keep doing that until we reach a desired endpoint. So we start at x naught, y naught. It has a slope of x naught, y naught, which we called m naught. And then we go a certain way depending on how far we pick x1 from x naught. And then we calculate the y value that corresponds to that line. And then in that point, x1, y1, we calculate a slope again, which we called m1 for a tangent line, and then we calculate based on how we choose x2 what y2 is. So here, this equation of this line is y equals m naught times x minus y naught plus, that is x minus x naught plus y naught, and the equation of that line is y equals m1 times x minus x1 plus y1.